it's literally half. Like, I'm not, like, I wish I could, I don't even know if the camera will get in there so you guys can see it. But it literally it's only half full. Let me get my head out the way. You guys see that? I know you guys can see it. It's literally only half full. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing an unboxing for Glow Recipes Fruit Babies Bestsellers Kit that I picked up from Sephora. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you for coming back. Make sure you guys are really supporting me by subscribing to not only my YouTube, but also my Instagram, which will be linked down below. But if you guys haven't realized on my channel by now, I've been doing a lot of like skincare videos, and I'm really excited about this. Now, this is kind of like, I guess, like their little sample kit. Now the sizes might be small, who knows, we'll tell when we unbox it. But I know they also have a bigger kit that's like $100 something. Don't quote me on the price, but this I paid $32 for, and I'm like, you know, it's a good way to test it out. Hopefully it lasts me a month because I'm going to use this for a month. But it's supposed to give you, I'm not sure, actually, let me stand corrected. The bigger kit gives you like that glass skin kind of finish. But we're gonna see what we get with this. I'm really excited. I'll be honest with you guys. I've mentioned to you before, so cooperate, that before starting like making videos on YouTube, oh, my hands are dry. I wouldn't really like change from my routine, and I found that in changing my routine, I've gotten better results when it comes to like my skincare. You know, just different things I just wouldn't have expected. So I'm excited, to say the least. So I'm not gonna do like a trial on camera because I don't really think it's necessary. Maybe when I'm into the steps, I might show you guys my routine for it, but I'm just overall just really excited about these fruit babies. Okay. So this is my receipt. And then they give you 2 little samples as well. I don't remember what samples I picked up. Dewy Glow Jelly Cream. I don't know. I like getting samples, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. Oh, my hands are dry. Oh, my hands are dry. And then the other sample that I went with was the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. So, got those 2 samples. But this is what we've all been waiting for. This is the Glow Recipes Bestsellers Kit. I'm excited. I'm really excited about it. Like, I'm so excited. So what it comes with is a Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, and a Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And I mean, they're small, but they're actually, to me, they're the right size. Yeah, they're the right size. So I'm gonna open them up. We're gonna smell them. But I'm really excited. Like, all right, let's see what we got here first. So we are going with the Berry Bounce Cleanser. Oh, they're glass bottles. I wouldn't have expected that for $32 for all of these. So let's open this up and smell this. Oh, that smells, oh my gosh, that smells amazing. But how cute is this little bottle? Do you guys see that? Like, look how cute that is. Come on, focus on the writing. I know you can do it. All right, giving up on that. This is the Pore Refining Hyaluronic Acid and Cactus Water Willow Bark. Like, this is for your pores. I'm really excited. The last skincare that I checked out, one of the things had like cucumber, and if you guys heard me mention once I did that update, like the 1-month update, I was like, this like smells so light and it's just so refreshing. So that's part of the reason why I was like really excited to try this out. Okay. Where is... Okay. So disappointed with this one because it's literally only half full. I don't like that. Give me what I paid for. Give me what I paid for. This is like you I digress. What was that I picked up? This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is a Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Yeah, it smells amazing though. It smells amazing. And this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. Doesn't really smell like much of anything. Doesn't smell bad, but you know, avocado doesn't really have an appealing smell, if you know what I mean. But everything else is like fruit based. So I'm gonna leave, I don't want to say like links down below, but I'm gonna try to leave information on the screen for each of the products that they have here to let you guys know what they do. But I'm really excited. Hopefully this one in particular that only has half it, I'm probably gonna call them and complain about this, because like what's good? Half, like it's literally half. Like I'm not, like I wish I could, I don't even know if the camera will get in there so you guys can see it, but it literally it's only half full. Let me get my head out of the way. Do you guys see that? I know you guys can see it. It's literally only half full. So I'm gonna call them just because I don't think that that's gonna last me an entire month, and I really do want to make the best of these products and use it for the full month and see if it gives me a different finish on my skin. So yeah, I'm excited. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.